Lesson 1: The Founding of Rome. Italy's location and climate have attracted people for thousands of years. Rome's location on the Tiber River made it easy to move goods through Italy and to and from the Mediterranean Sea. The location also protected the city from pirate raids. Between 800 BC and 700 BC, a group of people called Latins settled in Rome's hills in central Italy. This marks the birth of Rome, and the people living there became known as Romans. Greeks and Etruscans moved into the area. They influenced Roman culture, architecture, religion, and military style. In time, the Etruscans took control of Rome. Around 509 BC, the Romans overthrew their Etruscan king and set up a republic. A republic is a form of government in which citizens elect their leaders. The United States today is a republic. Rome developed a strong army. They formed groups of soldiers called legions. Roman legions were skilled at fighting and could move quickly around a battlefield. By 267 BC, the Romans controlled most of Italy. In general, Rome ruled fairly and effectively. Romans let some people they conquered become full Roman citizens. Others became allies or friends of Rome.